Hey guys, I just want to make a short video showcasing the alleged safety issues regarding the CZ P-10C, specifically the firing pin block, as you can see right there. So that little piece is supposed to stop the firing pin from traveling forward like that and protruding through the breech face. So I've seen some people pull back on the striker and release it, and it bypasses the firing pin block, so today we're going to do that. Looks like it bypassed. Looks like it bypassed again. It stopped at that time. It bypassed the block that time. Again. It looked like it stopped it there. But here's another issue. Even when the firing pin block does stop it, the issue is that the whole unit slides forward. So right now the firing pin block is stopping the firing pin. But as you can see, this whole unit can move forward freely. And what happens is the firing pin even protrudes out. So even when your firing pin block does work, the firing pin can still poke out. So that is a major safety concern. This is a viewer request. So there you have it, guys. I'll be contacting CZ and see what they have to say.